And of course, our reporters are on this beat this afternoon, spread across the country, looking at what's happening and monitoring what's happening on the ground. And one of them is Clement Masobo. He now joins us live. Clement, talk to us, sorry for that, talk to us about what's going on in your area. How was the exams conducted this morning? And was it a free flow in the last few hours?
Good afternoon, Ken. It's indeed true that day 2 of Kenya Certificate of Primary Education exam is actually ongoing, and the candidates have already done the science paper, they have done the Kiswahili paper, and this afternoon they will be writing the Kiswahili insha, and everything is moving on swiftly. There is no incident to report yet as from this side of the country, and earlier on we were with the Cabinet Secretary for Education, that is Professor George Magoha, who was addressing the media, and he was very categorical, and he said that as a government they have beefed up security in areas like Baringo, where we have been witnessing insecurity cases and gunshots being heard from in areas nearing the examination centers. And he also warned the invigilators and examination center managers that they should stop getting into examination rooms with their phones, because yesterday there were some 2 incidents reported, one in Ruiru in Kiambu County and another one in Wajir County, where the center managers had gotten into the exam rooms 39 minutes into the paper, and they were seen trying to take images of the question papers while the examinations were on. And he said that such incidents should stop, and that a very serious disciplinary action will be taken against such culprits. But there is nothing much to report from this side of the country, Ken, except the issue that one of candidates who is only one candidate who is sitting for his exam from Nyeri County Referral Hospital after he was involved in an accident just a few days to the examination exam date, and he could not make it to his school to sit for the exam. Ken.
All right, Clement, thank you so much. And of course, we're monitoring the examination this afternoon. Thank you for reporting, and other reports coming your way a little bit later on. But that's all the time we had for you on News Desk this afternoon. And Rotino Konyike is already here with some action from the field. I'll be back at the top of the hour with Africa Speaks. Stay with KTN News. My name is Ken Mijungu. Good afternoon.